One thing that confuses some people and messes up their money is thinking I need this. One thing that confuses some people and messes up their money is thinking I need this. Maybe it's a pair of shoes, a bottle of body lotion, or a magazine. Very often we talk about the things we want as things we need because we want them so badly that they feel like needs. Very often we talk about the things we want as things we need because we want them so badly that they feel like needs. Badly that they feel like needs. Children speak this way. But mom, I need those new sandals. The shoes Molly is wearing still fit. There are no holes in the soles. They look good, but they are not this year's style. Molly is sure that she needs those new sandals. Molly is sure that she needs those new sandals. She wants them so badly that it actually feels painful not to get them. She wants them so badly that it actually feels painful not to get them. That it actually feels painful not to get them. Money and emotions are closely tied together. Pleasure centers in our brains respond when we spend money. Some people become addicted to the drugs. Some people become addicted to the drugs their brains release when they go shopping. Addicted shopping creates a sense of well-being. Shopping creates a sense of well-being. Not shopping creates a sense of loss. And that is how wants become needs. And that is how wants become needs. We convince ourselves to go out and buy something we want by telling ourselves that we need it. This wouldn't be a problem if we had the money to satisfy all our wants. The problem comes when we don't have the money, the cold hard cash, and we must turn to credit to scratch our shopping itch. I meet people all the time who can't tell the differences between a new need and a want. Needs are the things we must have to keep our lives working. We need a place to live. We need food to eat. We need to be able to get to and from work or school or church. Able to get to and from work or school or church. Get to and from. What are the things we really like? What are the things we really like? Well, we need a roof over our heads. Well, we need a roof over our heads. We want a 4-bedroom. Well, we need a roof over our heads. We want a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house on a nice road, with parking, schools close by, and not too much traffic. While we need food, we want steak. And while we need to get to work, we want to live in a snappy car. Our friends will admire. People who confuse needs with wants can't imagine not to having all the cable channels available. They have fancy cell phones with expensive call features, and they think that because they work hard, they deserve a vacation in Florida in the winter. Deserve. People who confuse needs and wants simply can't imagine that lives without all the extras they see others enjoying. They want to enjoy those pleasures too. And if they have to use credit, that's what they'll do. Here's a heads up. Since none of you won't stand between you and a grave, since none of you won't stand between you and the grave. They aren't needs. They aren't needs. Plain and simple, no matter how badly you may want them.